Romancing with Rains, written by Fandarish Cheke, published in the year 2014. Rains, the elixir of existence and sustenance on planet Earth, has a special place in human life. From time immemorial, hovering between drizzling and downpour, rains have thoroughly drenched every beating heart and soothing soul. During childhood days, opening of the schools and arrival of rains so perfectly matched with each other that many a time my innocent mind quizzed as to who brings whom. Does the school open because of showery arrival of the rain, or the rains come due to creak opening of school doors? Whatever may be the cause, year after year, without fail, the rain accompanied we kids to the school gates and back home. Getting thoroughly wet in the rains, playing with paper boats in the roadside ponds, smearing mud and muck on each other, painstakingly and scrupulously making the roads slippery, only to see some absent minded pedestrian getting off balance, or even worse, falling down altogether, were some of our favorite time pass tactics. Those were the days when, without any television advertisement or radio commercial of some washing powder or washing soap, we instantly and instinctively learnt the lesson, Daag Acha Hai. More often, in order to fully enjoy the godly showers, we intentionally forgot mini umbrella or raincoat back home, and along with the rain, thoroughly enjoyed thrashing both in school and at home for our mischievous misdeed. Yet, irrespective of the consequences, the friendship with rain continued to grow from strength to strength. After joining college as a bubbly youth, the self conscious behavior took a new shift in approach and attitude towards the rain. Instead of soaking wet from head to toe, we now took great pleasure in extended bird watching sessions over sumptuous bites of samosa and tea in college canteen. In case, on a given day, we greedy hounds failed to get an eyeful of sensuous treat, we diligently compensated by staying longer than necessary the next day. So much we fell for the rain drenched beauties that our over enthusiastic group watched Manoj Kumar's blockbuster Roti Kapda Aur Makan for the rain song a record dozen times. Thus, the college days flew by, leaving behind a fun soaked trail of witty and wetly memories. For many of us, walking hand in hand with rain slowly and steadily stopped after marriage, and the rain became enemy number one for some inexplicable reasons. experiencing the plight of a married man walking with his wife and helplessly trying to keep pouring rain at bay was too irritating to get away with. The razor sharp stares of passers-by on rain-drenched spouse were certainly more piercing than the raindrops. Those were the initial times when the fun and frolic, excitement and enjoyment of rain began diminishing for no rational reason. The rain showered every ounce of its unending love on we mortals, but we hurled innumerable abuses on him for catching us off guard. The strained relation continued unabated through later part of familial life. Interestingly, the rains never bothered about or cared for our irritation and discomfort and kept its tryst with human folk. Despite grown ups, misplaced enmity, and childish prejudice, the rains, season after season, left its indelible imprint on umpteen glowing faces of farmers dreaming of reaping rich harvest. The newly sprouted deep green foliage laden trees and shrubs, the colorful chirping birds, the dancing butterflies, the smiling flowers continue to sing in unison the songs of rain. On the other hand, the tech savvy men, boasting of their progress, tried hard to keep rains out of their courtyards, living a virtual rainproof life. We mended leaked rooftops, switched from bikes to motor cars, constructed tar roads, and rain in its maddening frenzy continued to tap on our windscreens and window panes, heartily giggling at human folly. Today, taking a complex U turn, the rains have nearly closed its door shut in our faces, and only after getting weary of its long absence, we began to realize its vital importance in our lives. Upon hearing the loud collective crooning in posh classroom, changing from tune to tune, rain, rain, go away, come again another day, little Johnny wants to play, even rustic heart longs for rain's invigorating arrival. Sadly, with changing times, rains also seem to be singing in tune with little Johnny's sophisticated request. And unlike its native educational sister concerns, English school children seems to exert greater influence even on the rains too. Thank you for listening.